Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 28th of April afternoon analysis. On this video, we will cover the news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, we have received 1 hour ago the growth rate of US, and unfortunately, unexpectedly, it just shrunk, contracted. So expectation was for the first quarter 1.1% growth, but actually it just contracted minus 1.4%. That's not good for US economy. That was the news. All right, let's start with our first chart. As you can see here, Bitcoin is our first chart and it's declining because it has changed, like these data, it has changed everything. So the risks are growing. So in this environment, people are switching to hedge funds, not like these kind of risky assets, because they don't know what will happen in the next quarter and in the coming days. Everybody was expecting the growth is strong and then Fed will start raising rates, then the economy will slow down. But even just this month, actually not this month, in March 15, 0.25, and with the other things, economy slow down. So in second quarter, there will be May 0.50 probably interest rate hike, and in June we will have another 0.25 or 0.50 interest rate hike. So that may just trigger another decline in GDP if a technical recession is 2 quarters in a row decline. So if that happens, US will be in technical recession. It's not good for these kind of instruments. Here, as you can see here, it's just testing 39k levels, and if it just can successful just on support, we may expect going higher. If it cannot hold this level, we may see more declines in Bitcoin. Let's look at our second chart. All right, our second chart is S&P. S&P is right now on decline as expected. It's not happening so well. So these data, the release of that one, it's not good for many people. Everybody was expecting something slightly like a 1.1, even 1.2 growth, but this decline just made everything worse. And people are just rushing for hedge instruments, and the stocks are not one of these instruments. That's why a sell-off is happening in the market. So we will just see the next days. But as you can see here, it's just between support and resistance right now, this level. So better to wait this test or this resistance test than make a move in S&P. But something important, in May 4th, we may see some more decline, then a rebound in this one. And expectation right now, everything has changed. We may hear from Fed officials that we didn't expect this contraction, so we will just see and observe in the coming months what will happen. If they say like this, then we will definitely see another rebound, fast rebound in stock markets. Let's look at our last chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our last chart is Facebook Meta shares. Why are we sharing this one? Because I just want to show you something important. The previous earnings report in February, it was slightly surprised. As you can see here, that slight surprise affected a lot of in the market price, and right now we have seen the same amount of like a surprise on positive side, and it just helped on this much. Can you see how massive the decline happened over the months? And this one is a big spike. Actually, it was 18%. in just after that one. But this contraction in GDP changed all the course. Everybody expected this one go higher, but right now it's on decline. So these positive earning reports have been kind of surpassed by these recent negative report of GDP. So in the coming days, if we just hear something dovish to support the economies, if we just hear that US officials will just do necessary things to avoid a recession in US market, if we just hear this, we will definitely see a good rise in Facebook shares. As I stated, the recent report earning per share reported is higher than estimate. That's a good thing, but revenue is on decline. That's why we have seen these limited rise. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.